What's the meaning of backspin? Backspin. Backspin.
Backspin. Backspin. Backspin is a term used in sports such as basketball, golf, and tennis to describe a spin on the ball that causes it to rotate backwards as it moves through the air. This can have a significant impact on the trajectory and behavior of the ball, as backspin can cause it to lift or hop upon contact with the ground, or to slow down more quickly than expected. In basketball, players often use backspin when shooting free throws or layups to increase accuracy and reduce the chances of the ball bouncing off the rim. In golf, backspin is essential for controlling the distance and direction of shots.